Welcome back, friends. This is a very special edition of Leisure Cooking at Home with Barry, and I'm glad you're able to join us today. We're going to have a very special guest baker or cook. He actually does both, but he's going to be joining us today, and it's going to be my brother, Donny Harris. He's the baker in the family, and he's going to be baking up a cherry top cheesecake to have as a dessert with the meals that you prepare from the cooking channel. Now, this is the first of the desserts that I hope to have on the cooking channel, and it certainly won't be the last. And hopefully, we'll have Donnie come back and show us a few more recipes that he likes. But as we always do, please make sure that you subscribe to the channel and give us a like or a thumbs up if you like the content, and leave us a comment at the bottom. And as always, please share with your family and friends. All right, welcome back, everybody, to another edition of Leisure Cooking at Home with Barry. I have my older brother here, Donnie. There are 5 of us. I'm the youngest, and he's the second oldest. So in all of my videos, I'm usually the one doing all the cooking of all the dishes that we do, but I'm not much of a baker. I bake a little, but not much. He's the baker in the family. So we're gonna do a special edition of Leisure Cooking at Home with Barry today to do a dessert for you so that you can have a dessert along with the dishes that you normally cook. So Donnie, tell them a little bit about what you're gonna do.
Yes, I'm going to bake a simple yet delicious cheesecake with a cherry topping. It's a favorite here in our house, and I hope that at the end of this, and you do it, that you'll enjoy it as well.
All right, well, let's get started.
All right, here are the ingredients that you'll need for this cheesecake we're going to bake. We start out with 2 blocks of Philadelphia brand cream cheese, a cup of sugar, 2 eggs, vanilla flavor, lemon juice, and a 10-inch pie crust. And we can top that off with my favorite, the cherries, but you have your choice of toppings. Okay, we're getting ready to prepare our cream cheesecake. So first we start out with our cream cheese by just unpacking it and putting it in a bowl, and we're gonna mix it until it's real thoroughly mixed together. This cream cheese is room temperature. It's so easy to work with when it's room temperature. Don't try to use cream cheese when it's cold. See how that cream cheese just falls out of the wrapper? All right. Now we're going to take a hand mixer and we're going to mix this cream cheese up. I'm going to just blend it till it's all blended and smooth. Don't get in a hurry. Don't go over medium speed. That's all mixed well together. Now we're going to add the eggs one at a time. The eggs do not have to be room temperature. All right, we got 1 egg mixed in there real good. Let's do the second egg. Make sure you get the beater down at the bottom of the bowl so that it gets all that cream cheese mixed in good with that egg, those eggs. Okay, we got our eggs and cheese mixed together. Now we're going to slowly add our sugar until it's all blended. gonna take the time and use a spoon and just scrape the edges and get all the ingredients all together. All right, so we got our eggs and our sugar well blended with the cheese. So now we're gonna fold in a tablespoon first of our vanilla flavor. Sorry. Mix until that vanilla flavor is well blended. You know it's well blended when you don't see the swirls in it, and that cream cheese is going to change to a light tan color. All right, let's mix that real well. Now let's get a tablespoon of our lemon juice. All right, so our cheesecake is well mixed and ready for the oven. All right, cheesecake is all mixed up, and now we're preparing our pie shell for the cheese mixture. Okay, again, we're using a 10-inch graham cracker pie crust. So just unfold those edges and take that protective cover off. Set that aside. Here's your cheesecake. All right, we're going to put this pie shell with the cream cheese in it in a preheated 365-degree oven. And it's going to bake for about 45 minutes. So let's get this over here. Center of the oven. And wait 45 minutes. The cheesecake is rising, it's starting to crack around the edges, and my time has it 4 minutes left before removing it from the oven. It looks perfect. All right, looks like the cheesecake is ready to come out of the oven. Notice the cracking along the edges. The golden brown along the edges there. You set it on the cooling rack here. And we'll let that sit there and cool off for about an hour before we put our toppings on it. All right, so we're back and we're ready to put our topping on the cheesecake. Cheesecake has cooled out for about 2 hours now, And now we're going to add our topping. Now you're welcome to use your favorite topping, blueberry, strawberries, whatever. But this is ours. Now I want to even that out a little bit. So and there you go.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that was about the easiest cheesecake recipe I've ever seen. Cherry cheesecake on top of that. Donnie, are there any other last minute tips you want to share with our audience?
Well, again, it's the cheesecake, the cherry cheesecake, and it's best served chilled. So it's all topped off now. We put the cover on it. So let's put it in the refrigerator, and tomorrow evening after dinner, that'll be a great dessert.
Awesome. Well, we hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks again for joining me on another episode of Leisure Cooking with Barry. See you next time. Well, that's it, friends. I hope you enjoyed this special version of Leisure Cooking at Home with Barry with my special guest baker and cook, my older brother, Donny Harris. As always, we hope you'll subscribe, give a like or a thumbs up if you enjoyed the content, and leave us some comments down at the bottom, or if you have some suggestions for us, we'd appreciate it. And as always, please share the channel with your family and friends. Well, until next time, enjoy your cherry cheesecake, and we'll be uploading more videos soon.